Hey everyone, this is Brian from Vance Hines, and thanks for joining me on another Fuelpak Friday, where today we're going to take everything we've learned over the past 4 or 5 weeks, and we're going to go ahead and set up a base map for a 128-inch Milwaukee 8 build. So we'll go ahead and take our exhaust base map from the server, Torker 450s on a 114-inch touring model, and flash it into the bike. From there we're going to utilize the map optimization menu, so go ahead and press that button. And from here we'll select the camshafts. We're going to use the popular SNS 475C cams in this particular build. So go ahead and press those. And now we're going to back out, go to engine displacement, bump this up from 114 to 128 inches. There we go. And now we'll use the top slider. So let's take a look at, say, idle RPM. All right, factory 950 down at the bottom, perfect. Let's go to our grams per second rating for our injectors and bump that up to 5.3 since new injectors are getting installed. Let's take a look at rev limit, 6300, that looks okay. And let's disable the speed limiter for the dyno run here. Once that's done, hit the lightning bolt, hit continue, flash those changes into the bike. Now back to the main menu, we're gonna scroll down and hit customer support, much like the camshaft video from a few weeks ago. Select Vance Hines support, scroll down, hit email, and when prompted, go ahead, hit upload. Type out the email, the specs of your build, we'll send you back a base map, and you're ready to roll in the dyno. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next week.